Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, September 15th, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Markets eased yesterday after opening at their highs for the day. Trading volume was weak as the Nasdaq continued to struggle with short-term resistance. Since the weak confirmation of the current rally, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq only have one distribution day each. Market volatility seems to have abated somewhat, and we're beginning to see some constructive bases from leading stocks, which is bullish. That noted, with the major averages so far below their 200-day moving averages, it's likely this market will retest the recent lows. Be careful with any entries and keep stops in place. Declining issues bettered advancers by 2-1 yesterday. While not looking healthy by any means, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline line suddenly looks a little bit less bearish. New lows bettered new highs by about 3-1. The O'Neill market timing model is indicating an uptrend under pressure, while our market timing model remains on a primary sell signal with a secondary signal of aggressive buy. Most traders should continue to maintain stops at their tightest levels, continue to accumulate cash, and perhaps hedge portfolios with contra ETFs. However, more aggressive traders can begin to selectively buy, keeping in mind that our primary signal is a sell. On a more bullish note, small capitalization stocks outperformed large yesterday, as they have since the market low on August 24th. Small caps are outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis, which is more typical of a bull market. Also, our market momentum model is indicating recent momentum is to the upside. Our swing timing model is indicating a neutral condition in the market. The market remains squirrely. We should continue to err on the side of caution. Again, we're on a primary sell signal, while our secondary signal is aggressive buy. This market's going to continue to be volatile and prone to whipsaws for a while. An aggressive buy signal means only the most aggressive traders should venture back into this market on the long side. Our underlying market timing signal is still a sell signal for conservative traders. Be careful. Okay, what we're looking at here is Moody's list of 177 industry groups sorted in HGSI, high growth stock investors, by 5-day percentage price change. The reason that we look at this is that by noting where the strength in the market is on a daily basis, we can get an idea of where the power in the market is rotating to. The basic premise of momentum trading, which is what we're doing here, is that we need to identify where the power is and get out in front of it. So let's see where the strength in the market has been in the past week. In the past week, the Engineering Service Index is up 8.4%. Biotech's up 6.2%. Renewable Energy up 5.9%. The Airline Index is up 5.8%. And Transaction Management Systems rounds out our top 5, up 5.3%. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq Composite. The Nasdaq was down 16.58 points yesterday, or 0.34%. We closed at 4805, and we've been struggling with resistance up here in the 4836 area. You can see we can't seem to break through that area of short-term resistance. Right now we're bracketed by that short-term resistance in the 4836 area and support down here in the 4292 range. Trading volume yesterday was below average. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are on a uptrend under pressure in the market with one distribution day in the past since confirmation of the uptrend on September 8th. Our market timing model is on a primary sell signal with an aggressive buy signal as our secondary signal. This means that aggressive traders can begin to selectively buy on the long side, but more conservative traders will want to continue to raise cash and possibly hedge their portfolios with contra ETFs. Let's see what the S&P 500 is up to. The S&P yesterday was down 8.02 points or 0.41%. We closed at 1953. Note, we opened at the high of the day and spent the rest of the day selling off, closing very near the low for the session. Yesterday was an unremarkable trading session, but the fact that we opened higher than we closed is a little bit of a short-term bearish indication. Trading volume was very weak yesterday. It was below the prior day and below average. The S&P is indicating a market in correction with one distribution day since the confirmation of the uptrend on September 8th. S&P is bracketed by support down here in the 1867 area and resistance up here in the 1993 range. We are on a primary sell signal with a secondary signal of aggressive buy. I'm going to take a look at a stock here. Inphi Corp designs analog multiplexers, encoders, amplifiers, and memory buffers for servers, routers, and storage equipment. The stock right now is in a late stage, third stage base with a pivot point of $27.11. Inphi gets an 80% checklist rating, and yesterday traded higher trading volume than any down day in the prior 10 trading sessions, which is the definition of a pocket pivot. Inphi can be bought by aggressive traders here, keeping in mind that our primary market timing signal is a sell signal. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. For daily access to our model portfolios, trade updates, and more up-to-date information on our trading strategies, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.